doing the driver's side lower control arm, you don't have to remove the tire, we just are so that you can have a better visual. So 21 or 13/16 socket. So I'm going to put the front in first. Just put the nut on. Then I'll put the back bolt in. So now with the pry bar, we're going to set it up there. Make sure your bolt is handy. And you're going to have to move it forward so that it will go right up in there. Once the bolt's all the way through, put the nut on the back. Make sure you start it with your hand good enough, and then we can tighten it up. When you put the bolt in the rear part of the control arm, make sure you line up the old markings before you get it aligned, because that's as close as it was. Keep it there. Tighten this up. And now we'll tighten the bottom. Torque both the rear and the forward nuts to 85 foot-pounds.